Hello and welcome to today's session. Our focus for this lesson aligns with Learning Outcome 2. Understand core terminology and key aspects of cybersecurity. In this session, we will explore the fundamental concepts of cybersecurity and understand why it is more crucial than ever in our increasingly digital world. From common threats, such as malicious software and phishing attacks, to essential practices like penetration testing and secure online behavior, we will uncover the key terminology and concepts that help individuals and organizations protect themselves online. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation in cybersecurity and a clearer understanding of how to safeguard your digital presence. Understanding core cybersecurity terms is vital. Malicious software, or malware, includes viruses and exploits. Firewalls and encryption protect data, while VPNs secure connections. IP addresses identify devices, and DDoS attacks disrupt services. Penetration testing evaluates security through simulated attacks. In cybersecurity, actors are classified as good or bad. Bad actors include ex-employees and black hats. Script kiddies and hacktivists also pose threats. Good actors, like white hats, protect systems. Certified penetration testers help identify vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity is crucial across various sectors. Manufacturing and finance are common targets. Government and defense agencies require robust protection. Educational institutions and healthcare must safeguard data. Retailers and utilities also face significant threats. Online reputation is vital in the digital age. Search your name to monitor content. Set up alerts for new mentions. Avoid being tagged in damaging images. Think before posting to protect your reputation. Stay safe online with these methods. Use your initiative before posting content. Avoid sharing sensitive details on insecure websites. Ensure passwords are not saved automatically. Use two-factor authentication for added security. Social networks require careful management. Personal details can be exploited by fraudsters. Millions use platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Scammers seek to access your information. Manage security settings to protect your data. Follow these tips for social media safety. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. Set up security answers and protect your devices. Be cautious with friend requests and links. Regularly review privacy settings. Be mindful of what you share online. Avoid revealing sensitive personal information. Customize privacy settings to control visibility. Install antivirus software to protect devices. Always log off when finished. Your online presence shapes your personal brand. William Arruda emphasizes personal branding's importance. Like corporate brands, personal brands represent individuals. Follow steps to enhance your online branding. Keep your brand consistent and positive. Knowing your audience is crucial for social media. Define the specific group you want to reach. Use social listening to find relevant conversations. Research which platforms your audience uses. Understand what your audience seeks from you. Safeguard your online reputation proactively. Conduct regular Google searches of your name. Set up Google alerts for real-time updates. Use people search tools to monitor personal data. Control who tags you in photos. Consider the impact before posting online. Align actions with your personal brand. Avoid posting when angry or emotional. Never share negative comments about others. Remember, your online presence is your public face. Online safety is about maximizing awareness. Protect personal safety and information online. Cyber safety is crucial for all internet users. Safer Internet Day promotes global awareness. Organizations work to enhance online safety. Follow these tips to stay safe online. Avoid sharing personal information publicly. Verify links before clicking and use secure Wi-Fi. VPNs and secure passwords enhance protection. Regularly back up data for safety. Ensure online safety with these methods. Be cautious before sharing content. Only share details on secure websites. Use two-factor authentication for account security. Check websites for SSL certificates. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a critical component of our increasingly digital world. By understanding fundamental principles and consistently practicing safe online behaviors, individuals can effectively protect their personal information and digital assets. Remaining informed and proactive is essential to maintaining a secure digital presence. If you need any help, just WhatsApp 07484361688. Our team is always ready to assist. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.